The lack of real definitive flavors and texture really left us disappointed. Would never order again. Surprised Jimmy created this dish. I am surprised I created that one as well.
Thank God for Chef Scott. We love this meal. Please tell Scott he is the best because he literally is. Thanks, Mom. I'll see you at home.
While I normally love Nigel's recipe, this one fell short of the usual amazing. Yeah, that was a tough one. Brown butter mac and cheese. Yeah, that's tough.
Give David Padilla a raise. This man is making me look way too good. All the praise must go to him. I like that idea.
Customer feedback matters personally to me because that is the bread and butter of what I do is pleasing our customers.
It is literally the best source of information for my team to improve recipes.
There's a lot of people who identify with us on like kind of a personal level. Like they use your name, and that's very interesting. When you cook in a restaurant, you get to interact with just like a few people, and we have this opportunity to interact with like just thousands and thousands of people.
The fact that we actually get that feedback is extremely valuable and gives us something to work off of, and we know how we can improve the product for next time.